Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to follow someone on Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open Sweatcoin application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are inside the main homepage, tap on the two human figure at the bottom right. Tap on the friends icon from the top right and then tap on the search box right where it says type in a username. Enter the username of the person you want to follow in the search bar and search. Now, tap on the profile picture or username of the person you are trying to follow and this will then open up their user profile. Now tap on follow. In order to follow someone on Sweatcoin, you can follow up to 100 people on Sweatcoin. Following someone allows you to see their steps and activity feeds and compete against them on leaderboards. So that is how you can easily follow someone on Sweatcoin within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.